set out on a journey to find the remaining natural forests in Sweden. So we basically went on a almost 2 months long road trip. Most of Sweden is covered in managed forest. So we have like vast stretches of forest that is very even aged, has the same tree species, is very managed and gets cut in like regular intervals. That's how forests are usually managed in Sweden. But in some of these forests, there's some small patches that have never been touched, never been cut. And these are quite difficult to find. They have been mapped on data that exists, and we set out to find them and to study them. You go through the bushes and you fight your way through some undergrowth, and then you're suddenly in this forest that is so, you can just see it is old, and you have the trees are big, and there's so much diversity.
You have like these layers of like, it's not one dimension of vegetation. If you go to a rainforest, it's the same thing. It's like so many more species that grows on top of each other and are dependent on each other. You have hanging lichens, and you have small, really rare lichens or mosses, and
it's just full of life. Like, it's
and
not
death.
just about and death.
And death, which is good. A lot of dead trees, like big trunks just lying there.
It's something very special. At least for me, I've never really been into like an old forest before, and it feels very special. You feel really connected to nature.
I get this mixed feeling, actually. I get this really nice, I just get filled with this super beautiful, amazing forest, which give me a calm feeling. Like I want to explore. I want to go in there and just search for species and things. But then I get this also sad feeling of like all those forests that we passed that were like that. And many times we passed like these huge clear cuts before or something, and you just imagine all those species that were lost.
Yeah, and you think about how all the forest could look like. But it's also very lucky that you can do this in Sweden, that you still have these kinds of forests, and that because in a lot of countries that's actually not possible. The aim of our study was to measure carbon storage in these forests. Since we don't really know how much carbon they store. We don't know if these old forests that are like peak ecosystems, if they still take up more carbon. And so that is also one of the future aims, is to see how they change over time.
We had these plots where we measured all the trees. We measured all living and dead trees, and we also measured the carbon in the soil. So that was what we were doing all days. We were measuring trees
and walking through the forest.